beauties, it's me Evie, and I am back with an Ipsy for you for the month of September. Oh my gosh, August flew by. It was my birthday month, but literally it flew by. So many unpleasant things happened in August that we're just gonna pretend it didn't happen. So that means that I got to say 44. No? Okay. So let's just get into this Ipsy. So for the Glam Bag that we got today, it's 5 deluxe beauty samples. Members choose one product, up to a $70 value, and it's $13 a month. I mean, come on. And you always get a little bag. So I like the little tassel on this one. It's multicolored. It's very it's very much colors that I like. Pink and yellow and blue and white. It has orange in there too, but we're not worried about the orange. Let's see what we have. Oh, and the inside is pink too. That's really nice. Okay, so the first thing we have in here is from Shania B. It is Miami Lip Gloss in the shade Bestos. We got a quad a little ways back of this brand. It was eyeshadows, or a eyeshadow. I think I liked it. Or I liked the flamingos on it anyway. That was imprinted. I hate styrofoam. Not styrofoam, styrofoam. I hate this stuff. What is it? I don't know the name of it. So it has the little logo. Oh, it smells really good. I have red on, or I tried on. But it smells, well, yeah, it definitely smells really good. Had a bit of a little other smell to it, but it smells really good. Then the next item we have is from Lavado. It is a Thera Intensive. It's a Thera Intensive Clarifying Gel Wash. Smells. You can smell it through the closed tab. But it is for cleaning your face. It's a clarifying wash. Cleanse, clear, and calm. I'll be loving using this because it smells really fresh. Because it smells really fresh, and I really love that in skincare. This next thing is from Benefit. It's the Pore Professional Super Setter. It is, you can put it on before your makeup, or like it says, you can put it on afterwards. It's a cute little bottle that could definitely go in our purses. Love that. There's Beauty for Real. It's the brand. I'm not sure if it's an eye or a, I don't know what it is. It doesn't say. I can't get that off. Whatever it is, whether it's a liquid eye or a lip gloss, it is in the shade Mood Dance. I thought it said Romance at first. I'm guessing it's an eyeshadow, honestly. Yeah. I don't think we would wear that on our, I mean, sure we could. I'm guessing that's an eyeshadow. I like it. It's metallic. And then the last thing in our bag is from Copera. It's an eye bright cream. Let's see what it smells like. It doesn't really have, let's see. Okay, it kind of smells like that matcha type of thing. And it's to brighten your eyes. Ooh, yeah, I like the way that smells. Just like fresh and clean. So yeah, that's nice. So I think I stopped the video. Or was it ever on? I don't know. So here is our little haul. And